My name is Rishikesh. I'm 18 years old and I'm from Kerala. I joined GE on August 2023. I'm preparing for the Indigo Cadet program in FTA, Australia. My experience has been very pleasant. The teachers are very nice and very caring. The faculty is also very nice and very helpful. The students are also very helpful. Software engineering is very important because right now a lot of applicants are coming in and applying. So the first level itself is pretty hard to crack. So I believe with software training, we'll be able to crack it easily. My experience was pretty amazing. It was everything. It was very nice because we got to take off, we got to fly a bit, we got to do the basic maneuvers, pitch up, roll, and everything. It was very nice. It was an experience I'm pretty sure I won't forget.